Welcome. This video will guide you through the instructions for using the Bovine Pregnancy Rapid Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. If you are testing with whole blood, begin by adding 3 drops of dilution buffer into the test tube. Next, use the dropper to draw the cow's blood up to the black measuring line, which indicates 40 microliters. Dispense 40 microliters of blood onto the sample pad at the green mark of the PAG test strip. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until the blood has been fully absorbed. Then place the test strip into the test tube containing the dilution buffer and check the result after 20 minutes. When testing with serum or plasma, use a micropipette to transfer 150 microliters into the test tube. Insert the PAG test strip into the test tube and read the result after 20 minutes. Now, let's look at how to interpret the results. Pregnancy is indicated when the C line is clearly visible and the T line is stronger than the R line. Suspected pregnancy is indicated when the C line is visible and the T line and R line show similar intensity. In this case, retesting with a new sample after 7 days is recommended. Non-pregnancy is indicated when the C line is visible and the T line is lighter than or absent compared to the R line. If the C line does not appear, regardless of the T line, the result is invalid and the test should be repeated. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please contact us by email.